Hello, everyone. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the cultural mosaic that defines the United Kingdom. In a land where history intertwines with diversity, we explore the rich tapestry of religions and their vibrant festivals. Welcome to this exploration of faith in the UK. Our journey begins with Christianity, a cornerstone of the UK's cultural heritage. Christmas, a time of joy and festivity, brings communities together. Easter, a celebration of renewal, is marked with various traditions and events. Next on our exploration is Islam, a vibrant and integral part of the UK's religious tapestry. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha, the two major Islamic festivals, are moments of joy and reflection. Ramadan, a month of fasting, is observed with devotion. Let's delve into the beauty of these celebrations. Now, let's explore Judaism, a community that has woven its traditions into the fabric of the UK. From the lighting of Hanukkah candles to the Passover Seder, Jewish festivals are steeped in rich traditions. Let's hear from the Jewish community about their experiences during these celebrations. Our journey continues with Hinduism, a tapestry of vibrant colors and ancient rituals. Diwali, the festival of lights, and Holi, a riot of colors, bring communities together. Let's hear from the local Hindu community about what these festivals mean to them. Moving forward, we explore Sikhism, a community known for its warmth and inclusivity. Vaisakhi, a harvest festival, and Diwali, the festival of lights, are celebrated with great zeal. Let's learn more about these vibrant festivities from the local Sikh community. The UK is also home to various other religions, each with its unique festivals and practices. While diverse in their rituals, these communities contribute to the rich religious tapestry of the UK. As we wrap up our journey, let's delve into the importance of interfaith dialogue. Understanding and respecting each other's beliefs foster harmony and unity. Let's hear stories from those who have engaged in meaningful interfaith dialogues. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the myriad of religions and festivals in the UK. From the joy of Christmas to the vibrancy of Diwali, each celebration adds a unique thread to the rich cultural tapestry of this land. As we embrace diversity, we foster understanding and unity. Until next time, keep exploring, keep understanding, and keep celebrating the beautiful mosaic of faith that makes the UK truly remarkable. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing and informative videos.